Welcome, student. In previous lecture, we already completed this lesson. That is the King's Choice. Okay. Now you have to do this workshop, and in the next lecture we will go through this workshop. Now, in this lecture we will start this lesson, that is 1.5, seeing eyes helping hand. Okay, this is the one type of inaugurative preparation. In this lesson we are going through that, because there is a project in a school implemented by the school, and they are going to inaugurate or start that project in the school. So for the inauguration, they invited the prominent personality of the society. uh, so and they invited the parent of the school also. So due to this, they printed the invitation for this project. Uh, so we will going to study that invitation. Everyone in the New Vision High School, this is the name of the school, who inaugurate the project of seeing eyes and helping hand. So this is one type of charitable work which is done by this school. So everyone in the New Vision High School was busy. The inaugurations of the project Seeing Eyes Helping Hand was scheduled to take place next week. So these inaugurations, this project will going to take place in the next week. It was getting late to sending out the invitation, so it is already late to send out the invitation. At last, the principal herself prepared the formal invitation. So the principal is a lady of that school, and she prepared the formal invitations for formal invitation. The art teacher and her student made the copies of it. Here is a sample of what they did. So this is the sample invitation card which is prepared by the class, the art teacher and her student. So we will go through it. Okay, we solicit your presence at the inaugurations of the project. So the font of this wording was a classical font. So it becomes the attractive, the title become attractive, the invitation card becomes very much attractive due to this font. The Seeing Eyes Helping Hand, it is in a bold letter. So one can read the project of the school at the hands of Srimati Vimala Naik. So the Vimala Naik is the prominent personality who going to inaugurate this project of the school. Former principal of a New Vision School. So she is a former principal. Nowadays she is not principal of the school, but she is a prominent personality. So school invited this Vimala Naik, Srimati Vimala Naik, to inaugurate this project, school project. President Sahayak Samaj. president of Sahayak Samaj. So she doing a charitable work for the society, and the institute she found, she is a president of the Sahayak Samaj, who doing uh, the good work or a social work into the society. So this project also uh, one maybe one project one work which is going under the presidentship of Sahayak Samaj. Dr. A. M. Chaudhary, Dean. So Mr. Chaudhary is a dean at a hospital, the New Life Medical College and a hospital. Has kindly agreed to preside over the function. So these are the two prominent personality. One is Srimati Vimala Naik, who is a president of Sahayak Samaj and former principal of the school, while Dr. A. M. Chaudhary is a dean of New Life Medical College and Hospital. So these are the two prominent personalities who are invited to launch this project, that is Seeing Eyes Helping Hand. And the time of this function is at 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and Sunday 9 July 2017. The venue of this event is at Assembly Hall of a New Vision High School off Main Road, Girgaon. So this is the project launched by this school in his own establishment, assembly hall of the school, and so they invited this Vimala Naik and Dr. A. M. Chaudhary, the Suhasini Ambekar, principal, New Vision High School, principal, New Vision High School. They also invited the principal of New Vision High School. New Vision High School. So nowadays Suhasini Ambekar was a principal of New Vision High School, and teacher in charge was V.S. Ajinkya. V.S. Ajinkya was a teacher in charge, while Komal Shelar, Nitin Walke, the student secretariat of the school. So here is a inaugurative invitation card, through which we come to know that there is a project launched by the Srimati Vimala Naik, which is a charitable work done by these persons or by the school, by the school. Okay, this is a formal invitation. So here we completed the main theme of this invitation. So this is one of the sample of invitation, and also a notice was put up on the school notice board to invite the student and parent to to the inaugural function. So this is another notice which is for the student and their parent. The student standard 7th and their parents are invited to inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes Helping Hand at the hands of the Srimati Vimala Naik, the former principal of New Vision High School, the president of Sahayak Samaj. So this is another notice for the student to inaugurate this project of the New Vision High School. Dr. A. M. Chaudhary, Dean. So this is another invitation for Dr. A. M. Chaudhary, the Dean of New Life Medical College and Hospital. He is also invited to preside these functions at the time 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. on Sunday 9th July. And these functions take place in the assembly hall of the school in Girgaon. So now we will stop here, and in the next lecture we will complete this lesson with the grammatical view. Okay. There is a conversation.